Friends, the COVID situation in the country and our state is at a very serious level. Number of cases are rising every day, and compared to last year, which was the first wave, we are seeing the numbers rise 6 times faster. The only way to protect ourselves and our loved ones is to ensure that we follow protocols, which include wearing of masks and maintaining social distancing. There is increasing evidence from across the world that the COVID vaccine is safe and is helping protect people from the virus. Some nations, like Israel, have been able to vaccinate more than 90% of their population, and as a result have seen a sharp decline in COVID cases and sharp decline in deaths due to COVID. I would urge all citizens above the age of 45 years and all frontline workers to kindly get themselves vaccinated at the earliest. But please do remember, vaccination will protect you, but it does not mean that we can let our guards down. Continue wearing masks, continue to maintain social distance, and avoid crowded areas. I am confident that together we can fight and overcome this COVID crisis. Thank you, Kublai and Mathila.